sipping on that codeine, that brain. Just studying on my HP. I was just blessing on my HP. I was just studying on flexing on that bitch. Hold up. One go get the stick. Hold on.
That's that earthquake power right there.
Going through the translations.